Tired of a long, clunky Facebook URL that's impossible to remember? Today, we're diving into how to customize your Facebook page URL, making it easier to share, improving your brand recognition, and boosting your online presence. First, hop onto your Facebook page, ensure you're logged in as a page admin, then look to the left-hand side of your screen and select Edit Page Info. From there, you are going to select username or page username. This is where the magic happens. If your page already has a username, it will appear. Otherwise, it will appear blank. Now choose a username. It should be something relevant to your business or brand name. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to type. Check for availability to see if it is taken. Once you find a URL that is available, click Create Username. Facebook will then confirm your new URL. Congratulations! You've successfully customized your Facebook page URL. You can now share it with others and boost your online presence. Remember that your new URL is essential for brand awareness. Be sure to promote it everywhere, and to continue to monitor the success of your page, don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tips.